Hello everyone, let's start with question number 6 and I will do question number 7 as well in the same video. So in this case, we are given to find the value of sine 765 degree. So now we know that there is no value after, like we have learned some graph based on it, and we know that there is no value after 360 degree. So therefore, how we would find the value for 765 degree here? So in this case, what you need to do is to divide the number with 180 degree. So we know we have 765, so I will be dividing it with 180. So we know 180 divided by 4 is 720. So the leftover part be 45 degree. So in this case, the dividend is, the divisor is 180 and the dividend is 765. And quotient is 4 and the remainder is 45. And we know how to write the formula for this. The formula for this is dividend equals divisor into quotient plus remainder. So in this case we are given with dividend, that is 765. So 765 equals divisor, that is 180, into quotient 4 plus remainder, in this case is 45. That means we can define 765 degree as 180 times 4 plus 45. So it is sine 180 into 4 plus 45 degree. So now in this case, let us make a figure for this, for a quadrant. So this is first, this is second, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. Now it says 180 times 4. That means the first one 180, the second one 180. I need to make 4 rounds of 180. Third round of 180. Fourth round of 180. Here we end 180 into 4, that is 720. Now we are left with 45. So 45 will lie somewhere here. So this makes 765 degree angle. So now in this case we need to find the value for, that means we need to find the value for sine 45 only, and it lies in first quadrant as well. So it will be sine 45. We need to ignore the first part, first term, and we need to go on to the second term, that will be sine 45. So we know the value for sine 45 is 1 over under root 2. Now we will be solving question number 7. Now the second is cosec minus 1410. So again what we need to do is we need to divide the number with 180. So 1410 divided by 180. 180 times 7 is 1260. So 1410 take away 1260 gives us 150. So that is the remainder here. So we are given with dividend. Dividend is 1410 and divisor is 180. So 180 into 7 plus remainder. Remainder in this case is 150. But in this case we won't be able to find the value of 150 again. We need some smaller value. So in this case I would be dividing 1410 with 180. Now I will be taking the next number, that is 8. So it will be 1440. So we get the remainder as negative term, that is minus 30. So now we will write 1410 as in terms of this. So it will be 180 minus 180 into 8 minus 30. So this is what we get after simplifying 1410. So now in this case we are given with 180 into 8. So you must know that in the fourth quadrant, we have cosec as positive. So therefore I will be taking minus out and we are left with 180 into 8 minus 30 degree. Again we need to make a graph for it and make all the quadrants here. So it will be first, it will be second, it will be third here and fourth here. Now we need to go 180 into 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then we have negative 30 here, minus 30 here. So minus 30 will be somewhat here after this quadrant. So 30 will be here sometime. So here we can conclude that it is in fourth quadrant, 180 into 8. So therefore I will be writing the answer as minus cosec 30. Why 30 here? Because we know cosec 30 is 2 here, minus 2 here. So in this case, why I did take 30 degree is because it lies in the first quadrant. So as you know that all the degrees, all the trigonometric function in first quadrant is positive. So therefore I need to take minus 30 as positive 30. So we have minus ahead. So cosec 30 is minus 2. So minus minus gets cancelled and we get the value as 2. So that's your answer for question number 6 and 7.